So today we are going to see what is Amazon Machine Image AMI. Okay. When we create or launch an instance, we required an AMI, we required an OS. It is provided by the AWS by default. Okay. But we can also use the paid AMIs, or mostly we will use the free AMIs. Okay. AWS has some paid AMIs or some third-party AMI. AMI means a complete OS image like Windows or the Linux or the other OS. So it is provided by the Amazon. Okay, and Amazon Machine Image is a support and maintained image provided by the AWS that provides the information required to launch an instance. You must specify an AMI when you launch an instance. You can create or you can launch multiple server from a single AMI when you require multiple server with the same configuration, or you can use the different AMI with the different instance configuration. Okay.
What is the
Suppose
difference between now EC2 and AMI? Like it's also the same thing, right?
EC2 is a service. EC2 is a service which provides us a compute resource into the AWS cloud. Okay. AMI is a service. It is used by the EC2. It's provide a package of OS. Okay. If we go to the AMI here, let's go to the instance. If we launch an instance, the first step we need to enter the name, and then we need to choose the application and the OS image. That is called the AMI. We need to select the platform for that. An AMI is a template that contains the software configuration like operating system and application server required to launch your instance. Search or browse for AMIs if you don't see what are you looking for below. AMI means you have to choose the platform where you have to go with. Like suppose if you want to use the Linux instance, you can choose the Linux AMI. If you choose the Windows instance or for your Windows workstation, you can choose the Windows AMI.
Okay.
Okay. So AMI is a image. Okay. AMI is an image of application and OS.
Okay.
It is compact with application and OS. Okay. Suppose if we want Windows server, then we choose the Windows AMI. If you have a customized AMI, you can choose a customized AMI of your private AMI. We will create both of these. Okay. Some AMIs are provided by the AWS. You can see browse more AMI. If you not see your start AMI, you can select from here browse more. You can see there are lots of AMI provided by the AWS. Here you can see you can also select with if you want Linux only, then you can select this. If you want only the Windows, then you can select with that, or you can choose the architecture form. Free tier, if you want to use the free AMI or free instances, you can choose this one. So you can see Amazon Linux 2, or if I select all Windows, you can select the Windows platform. Okay, these all are the AMI provided by the AWS. If you have customized or if you have private AMI, you can select it from here, My AMI.
Okay, mostly in real time, companies use My AMIs only. Like
yeah, mostly in real time, because company required same configuration, multiple server with same configuration. Companies always required multiple server with same configuration. That's why we create My AMI. Okay. Suppose let's select the all Linux. I'm just choosing the first one, free tier. I'm choosing right now for the Linux. One for the Linux. select this one and scroll down. Everything set as default. Let me check the key pair name, whatever. Downloads. Okay, there is no key. I have to create a key for my server. Linux AMI lab. Now create. Once it is downloaded, we have launched this instance. Server is successfully launched. If you go to the EC2 console, you will see server is creating here with this instance ID. You can write it here. AMI lab server. Okay. Now try to connect with this and do some installation. Suppose this is a company server, first server, and our manager said to us that you have to install some packages into that and ready for the developer or for a website. So we connect this server with the console or with the putty. I use the Terminus tool, Terminus one, and add a host into this Terminus tool. Delete this one. Here we have to give the IP address and AMI Linux server 1. Now give the username.
This AMI Linux server 1 is the name of the instance, or
yes,
like...
no, I'm just giving the name of that. Okay, I'm just giving the name of the server. You can give the Linux server 1, or you can give the Linux server main.
Okay, which is same as like it's different from which we launch in the Amazon console, right? Like names.
No, it is not different. It is same as, but when we create another server in this lab, so you will see the difference, and then we have to enter the different name. That's why I used one.
Okay.
Okay, suppose I am giving the main server, Linux server 1. Okay, and give the key here. Add key file. To the file, I have to select the Linux AMI lab and then open. So I'm doing some installation into that. Previously, you do some installation in Linux or not? Or do you aware of Linux installation?
Installations, I'm not aware.
Installation means some packages install, like suppose in Windows we have installed Google Chrome and all the software like that.
No. Get
No.
some command. No.
Okay, no issue. Let me install some packages into that, and then I will show you the difference. Okay.
Okay.
First, I run the command yum update. First, I need to be a super user. Sudo and yum update. -y. Okay. Yum install. I'm just going to install a server into that, so we can check the difference. Okay. No need to take this command seriously. I will explain each and everything. Okay. Once I have completed, I will explain all the things.
Okay.
I'm just going to create a file which is related to my this server. Okay. And here we write index.html file. Okay, I have installed some packages into that. First, I connect with that server and I try to update some packages. Okay, it is similar to uh, when we update our software into the Windows machine. It is similar command for update packages into the Linux machine. And this command is for the install Apache server into the Linux server. This is for the start the service for the Apache server, and this is for the auto start the Apache services when our server is start. And this is the directory where we have write some code or some website file. I will explain each and everything in deeply, but first we need to understand the concept between the AMI. Okay. So I have created a file into that server. When we hit a server, you will see a web page. Okay. Can you please hit this IP on your browser? When sharing a IP address into your chat section, you can hit the IP address into the Google Chrome browser and let me know the result. Did you get anything on the browser?
Checking.
What? Hit this IP on the browser and let me know. Did you get anything on the browser? Last one link. I have sent a link to you.
I didn't receive that one. Only IP I got.
No, I have sent a link to you. Right.
Yeah, link was not received. Can you reshare?
Yes.
Yeah,
It is opening or not? Is there any text on your browser or not?
no, it's getting like loading only. No,
It's getting like loading only. Okay. But if we go into the firewall section, because a website required a HTTP request. Okay. A website required always a HTTP request. We will see how to allow or deny the traffic with the security group into the upcoming. But as of now, I have enabled a security rule into my security group for the testing purposes only. Go to the edit inbound rule, and here we need to allow a HTTP request for my server. Anywhere, and also we need to select HTTP. IPv6. But if you try it now, so then you will see a text on your browser. Did you see the text on your browser?
Yeah, hello, this is our main server, right?
Yeah, hello, this is our main server. Okay, but suppose if I want to change the text, then I will use the Vim tool and change the. I again added some code, and can you please refresh it again?
Yeah, yeah, we got AMI session data also.
Yes, you get another line on after the main server. Okay, so let's come to the AMI topic. Okay, let's come to the AMI topic. Suppose I have ready this server for my company. Okay, and my company want 10 more server for that configuration. Suppose I have install hundreds of software into this. I have install hundreds of service into this uh, system, and my company required uh, 50 server of that type of installation. 50 server with same installation and configuration. So how can I do that? Do I need to uh, create it manually and again done this installation and all the part? It is the good way or not?
Can't do manual all the server. In
Your
every
voice
server.
is speaking.
We can't do like that. Like manual task will be more when we want. Like
If the thing is only limit to the one or two servers, so we can do it manually. But if our company want 50 or the 100 server with the same configuration or with the same installation or with the same application, we cannot do that because it is really time taking.
right.
Okay, so that's why we have an option. We created our private AMI. Okay, suppose this is our server and we will create a customized AMI. We will create a customized AMI for our uh, company work. Okay, so whenever we required the same configuration with the same installation server, we can launch a server from the AMI. Okay, did you understand the concept?
Yes, whenever we want a new thing from the same AMI, we can launch the other instances also.
Yes. So you can launch multiple instances or we can launch multiple servers from a single AMI. AMI we are going to create now. Okay. If we want to, if we want an AMI, then we have multiple ways to create an AMI. Okay. We can select the server and then go to the action and go to the instance image, go to the image and we can create the image from here. Okay, so it will create a AMI, Amazon Machine Image. It will create a complete image of that machine. Okay, and if we scroll down and into the image section, go to the AMI. Okay, we don't have any AMI right now, but if we want to create it, we can go to the, we can create it from instances. Okay, or if your owner can copy the AMI from your region. If you want to paste your AMI from one region to another region, you can choose the AMI option. Okay. We will also see this option. How can we transfer our server from Mumbai to the US with the same configuration and the same data? Okay.
Before
Let me
you said
write some.
Yeah.
Yes.
Before you said like you create one image, no? Like
Yes, we will create an image. Okay, so before creating an image we will write some code so we can identify the server. Hello, this is our Mumbai server and this is our AWS AMI session. Okay, let me write this code and save it, and then okay, so let me create one image of my server. Select the server and go to the action and go to the image and template. We can create the image here.
Image in the sense
Okay,
same server.
give the image name.
Right. Like,
yes.
One doubt here. Creating image in the sense we are creating the same instance again. With the
No. Creating image. Let me explain it. Creating image. AMI is equal to your OS. OS means your Linux or the Windows OS plus your configuration or the installation part. Okay, AMI will store your OS plus installation and volume part. Okay, only the root volume. Okay, and AMI include your OS plus your installation plus volume. Okay, you can say the installation and the configuration of the application. Okay, suppose we have 100 application running on that, and we can create an image of that. We can customize our AMI. Okay, one AMI is provided by default. AMI is provided by the AWS. Okay, but if we make changes on the AMI and download some packages and customized like that, we have installed some software on that, we have some installation and the configuration on that server, and then we can create our customized AMI. Did you understand?
Yeah, like till now it's clear. Okay, we one AMI default like we will get from the AWS only. Other one,
Yes,
if you
and
make changes,
yes,
we will do customizations like according to which packages we want. We will do customizations for the AMI, like image in the sense which we do customizations. That is called as an image.
yes. Image means it may be provided by the AWS, or we can create our customized image. Okay.
Okay, from AMI we are creating a new image. That's
yes. From the
new
AMI
image
you can. AMI means in the sense you can take a complete backup or take a complete OS plus your volume backup into a package. That is called a image, and image is called a Amazon Machine AMI. Amazon Machine image. Okay. Go to the action and image, create image. I'm just going to create an image here. Okay. Or if you want to create template from instance, you can create this, or you can launch server more like this. Okay. But we are going to create an image, create an AMI. Okay. Now create AMI. Give the description here. You can give my main Mumbai Let me give the name. My main Mumbai server where I have done my all installation and all the things uh, which I have saved into my server. Okay, same thing I have pasted into the description, and we can attach the volumes. We can take the AMI into the instances and the volume. Okay, we can take the backup of our volumes also, but by default it will only take the root volume. Okay, and tag snapshot and image together. Okay, if we want to choose the new tag, we can use this one, and let me create the AMI. Once we create an image, you can see AMI is successfully created. You can see into the AMI section. If we go to the AMI section, previously it was blank. But right now we have created a customized AMI here, a customized OS for our customized installation for our server. Okay, and we can launch multiple instances with same configuration. We no need to do again create the instances from here, then connect with that and do some installation multiple times. No need to do the multiple times, just simply create an AMI and then launch it many times. And here we give the name my main Mumbai server. Okay. Did you understand the topic? What is the AMI and all?
Yeah, understood.
Is there any confusion? Please let me know so I can clear it.
No, that's fine.
Okay. And let me clear it again. Okay. Let's go to the instances once again. Okay. Now my company wants one more server. Okay. Same server, the same server with this installation, but my company wants one more server. Okay. Right now, the requirement is only for the one server. So we go with suppose I am new to the AWS and I go with the launch instances and go to the software and images here and browse more AMI. But you can see this AMI is provided by the AWS. Okay, OS and application and all, Red Hat, Windows and all. Okay, but here I have one AMI which is created by me. You can see which is created by me. And Kickstart AMI is provided by the AWS. You can see an AMI is a template that contains the software configuration, operating system, application server, and applications required to launch your instance. You can select an AMI provided by the AWS or user community or AWS marketplace, or you can select one of your own AMIs. So I have right now one customized AMI created by me. Okay, you can select my AMI. In my AMI, you can see my main Mumbai server. I can select this one also. Right now it is clear or?
Yeah, fine. Yes.
Okay, right now it is clear now?
Yes.
Okay, so AMI is provided by the AWS, but we can customize that and then we can create the own AMI. Okay. So I'm going to select this one, my AMI, and then select. Okay. Suppose I'm going to create this AMI again for one time. Okay. and give the name. Here we need to give the name my second server, and my second server key pair I am going to select the same my Linux AMI lab, and into the firewall rule I have allowed the HTTP traffic and from the internet all the things, and then launch instance. At this time I'm not taking any type of SSH. I'm not taking any type of terminus of that server. This one, my second server, it is created, but I am not going to take SSH, or I am not going to take any console of that server. Okay, because this server is already pre-configured with my previously AMI, so I can easily run that server with my IP. You can check the IP address. Open it at your end. Open this IP at your end. Open this IP at your end. Open this IP and let me know if you see something. Did you see anything on the browser?
Yeah, this is our Mumbai server, this is our AWS.
Your voice is breaking. Can you please come near to the mic?
Yeah. Hello, this is our Mumbai server. This is our AWS AMI session. Same which is before.
But I'm not doing any type of configuration on my second server. How it is possible?
Because we have created the same instance from our AMI only.
Yeah. Now you understand the AMI topic?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. So if my company wants 50 server, I can create it with the single click. Okay.
Yeah.
And suppose for this server, for this, I need, let me go to the, this one. Right.
Okay. Yeah, sir. One doubt over here.
Yes.
Like usually in our projects, like we will have some teams like infra team and all. Those
Yes.
teams will do all these things, right?
Right.
Right. Okay. Because we will have so many servers with the same configurations, like around 40 to 50. If you want any changes in our server, like any reboot or any installations, they will do.
Yeah, they will do. But it is a part of our infra team or AWS team.
Okay.
Okay. So Nitu, please let me know. Suppose if we want to share a server or a machine within zone 1 to zone 2, what we will use here? Suppose I have a server into the Mumbai. Suppose I have a server into the Mumbai South AP South 1B, and I want to use this server into the AP South 1A. How can I use it?
Using a snapshot, like.
Yes, right. Using the snapshot, we will share the, yes, answer is snapshot. We will use the snapshot here. Okay, but if we want to share server or resource, share server with region 1 with Mumbai region, Mumbai to US region, then we will use the AMI option. Okay. If we want to share our server within a zone, we can use the snapshot option. And if we want to share the server with region 1 to another region, we can use the AMI option. Or if we want to share server with another account or cross account, okay, we will also use the AMI option here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And now check how it is possible. Okay. Suppose this is my, let me delete this one. Let me delete one server. Go to the action and okay, let me terminate this one because we don't have any. Okay, let me select this one. Suppose if we want to use this server from Mumbai to the US East. Okay, suppose I want to use that server into the California or the Ohio region. Right now we are into the Mumbai, but we want to use into the California or the Oregon region. We can click on that and let's see we have the AMI or not. Okay. Right now we are into the California, North California, and there is no instances. Go to the launch instance. Software and images. Browse more AMI, and you can see there is no AMI into that region. Is it visible to you?
Yes. No.
Okay, there is no AMI into that region. So how can we take our server here? Okay, let's go back to the Mumbai region. Here it is our Mumbai region and instances. If we go to the AMI section, you can see AMI is available here. Okay, but visibility is private and owner is this. This is our account ID, 12-digit account ID. It is very important whenever our account is suspended or we need support, it's required a owner ID or the account ID. Okay. And let me take this EMI to the US region, US North California region. Okay. So there is no AMI available here into the North California. Let's go to the EC2 instances and go to the AMI section. Here you can see there is no AMI available into that region. You don't have any images in this region. Okay, but into the Mumbai region, we have the AMI. Okay, so how can we share the AMI or how can we share the server to the US region? Okay, or any of the region. We can choose the AMI and go to the action, copy AMI here. You can select this one, copy AMI and choose the region, destination. This is the AMI copy name. This is the by default name which we have give to the AMI, and give the description here if you want to specify anything, or destination where you want to copy this AMI. Okay, this is our target region. Source region is that, source is this main Mumbai server, or this is the AMI ID. Destination where we want to deploy our server. So we want to deploy into the North California. Select this one and copy AMI. But before I'm going to click on the copy, let's cross check once again. There is no AMI available into the North California region. Let me click on the copy button and see the result. Okay, once I click on the copy AMI, it can take a few minutes for the AMI to be copied. You can check the process of the operation in AMI table in US-based one. Let's go to the North California, and if I refresh it here, you can see the result. You can see AMI is coming. Okay, status is pending. AMI is pending, and now if we refresh this, you can see source is this and description is this. Okay, it is the status is pending. Let's wait for a few minutes. So we have successfully copied our AMI from one region to another region. It takes some time. And when we copy an AMI from one region to another region, it is backed with the snapshot because it take a volume backup inside us. Okay. So when we create an AMI, it also create a snapshot. Okay. You can see the description of the snapshot copied for destination AMI and AMI ID is this. And you can check from resource AMI. For resource, check other description from snapshot task created. If you select this one, you can check all the descriptions. Copied for destination AMI from source AMI, ID is this and task is created. It is now 0%. It takes some time. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Voice is audible or not?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. So it take time to copy. Okay. Yeah, it is now completed 100%. And let's go back to the AMI option. Into the AMI, here it is into the pending state and it will take also some time. It is into the pending state. Let's refresh it. The status is still pending. If we try to launch an instance into the North California, uh, let's see it is comes here or not. It's more AMI. Yeah, you can see there is one AMI available into the North California region. Previously, it was not available. Okay, now it is available, and you can see my main Mumbai server is available into the North California. We have successfully copied the server from Mumbai to US North California. Okay, now we are going to select this one and give the name here, my Mumbai server in US. Okay, give the name, sorry, let me paste the name here. Everything set as default, allow HTTP traffic from the internet, and now launch the instance with the key here. There is no key into that region. Keys also depend on the region. Okay, region is specific, not the it is not across the account, but key is also the region is specific. Line F, California. Okay. Then create key here. Download it, launch it. Without doing any type of installation, uh, you can browse the website. Okay, I'm not doing any type of installation into that server. I'm not taking SSH of that server into the North California. I'm not going to install packages or the configuration into that. I'm just going to directly open that server from the IP. I will share the IP with you once the IP is assigned to this server. It will take 1 minute only. You can check it into the inbox. Paste that IP on the browser.
Yeah, we got the same in California. Yeah. Mumbai server is in
Yeah.
the
So without installation, we have copied. We have created first. We have created a server. We have installed some packages on that and do some installation on that. Then we create an AMI, and we have launch a server into the same region. First, we have launched a server into the same region, into the Mumbai region. Then we try to copy that server from Mumbai to the US, and we have successfully done this task.
Yes.
Okay, any doubt or any question?
No, fine. And
Fine. Okay. And suppose if we want to uh, share this EMI across the account. Suppose if I want to share this EMI across the account, so what we need to do? Go to the AMI section first. This is the main. We need, suppose this is your account and you need to move to the another account. Okay. To move to the another account, we require the account ID. This is the 12-digit account ID. We need the account ID of the remote account. Okay. Suppose for the across account, We require target account ID. Okay. And if you share the AMI into this region, then it will copy it into the same region, not on the other region. It will copy on the same region. Okay. How can we do that? Suppose we have the account number 12 digit like that. This is just for only for the example. Okay, this is the account ID which we need to where we need to share this AMI. Okay, so just simply go to the AMI section. Okay, click on the AMI and select the AMI ID. Here, scroll down. Here you can see shared account ID. Okay, here you can add the account ID. You can see you can share this AMI to the another account or cross account. Here we need to give the account ID, 12-digit account ID. If it is working, then it will be shared to the another account. Okay, and on the target account, you will find this AMI on the same region, not on the another region. On the same region you will find. And where you will find that AMI, you will not find into the my AMI. You will find it. Let me go to the instances and created one more. Where you find, I will show you. Say, software and images, browse more, AMI, my AMI. Into the my AMI, shared with me. If you click on that option, then you will only able to see the shared AMI. Okay,
Yeah.
to the target account. Okay, if you click on that owned by me, then your shared AMI will not shown here. If you click on the shared with me, then your shared AMI will show it here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Any other question or query related to the AMI? Because AMI topic is finished.
Like what kind of a questions we can expect from this AMI concept?
Into the, from the AMI topic, the all interview question we have covered into the our lab. The interview question is like, suppose we have an AMI into the Singapore region and we want this server into the Mumbai region or into the US region. How can we achieve that? So you have to give the answer with this lab. Okay, we can share the AMI with the cross account or with the same account. Or interviewer can ask ask the question like that. We need to share a server from one account to another account with 100% migration. So how can you do that? You will answer that we can create an AMI and then share it with the another account. Okay. And once you've done your layers, delete all the AMIs or deregistered AMI, and also go into the Mumbai region and delete all the AMI and the instances because it takes charge on the hourly. Once the AMI is deleted, snapshot is also deleted. If it is not deleted, you can delete it manually. Okay. In tomorrow's session, we will see some security feature related to this EC2 instances, and then we move to the networking topic, IP address.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, because
Yeah.
it will more powerful topic, networking, VPC and IP addresses, public and the private one.
Okay.
Okay.